Aikari amwe ya kaunti ya Migori mekireire urimi wa mucere uria uhandagwo cianda-ini cia guitiriria mai mwena wa Kuja. Guku nikuo tucemanitie na murimi umwe kuma bururi-ini wa Egypt uria uhandite mucere mithemba itiganite mugunda-ini wa eka 260.
1 year ago and the planting many type. I have 200 acres and 60 for rice, and I finish rice. I'm planting IR and Safaricom Afrotech and Pshori and like that many types for rice.
Hassan Zara hamwe na arimi angi cianda-ini ici moigite riu matukanite urimi wa itunguru na mucere niguo kuimbaimbia mihuko yao. Ona gutuika thoko ya itunguru ikoragwo kuo mahinda mothe na thogora wa urimi uyu wi thi gukira wa mucere.
Now here planting onions and garlic, but the onions is the best planting here. I try here because the planting for Kenya very good work, good business. And try when I success here for onions, and I see these onions very good, and I know the Kenya good market for onions. When I success here, I planting more and I stay here because I like this area and I like these people, and Kenya very good citizens.
Mageka mathabu mao hari eke mwe ya urimi wa mucere na itunguru ni irutaga magetha maigi.
The difference comes when now you get the yield, whereas in an acre of rice you can get up to around 60 bags, which will translate to around 140,000 when the market is okay. But in onion you'll get that in an acre you get around 20 to 25 tons. But if you go to the minimum of 20 tons, that will give you a minimum of 200,000 shillings.
Ota urimi uria ungi wothe uyu ndwagite miambato na miikuruko ta wagi wa mbegu njega, tiri mwega na turagita twa kurima.
The likes of horticulture, you need a fine soil, and you get that the private investors who have tractors, they tend to charge much higher. So if you can get a subsidized cost through the irrigation office or the ministry, they can come down to the farmers.
But I have problems here for many problems here because what? Because the farm not flat and the weather very very hot and many insects and fungi for effect already for this planting.
Urimi wa itunguru woyaga mieri 3 na mekiririo urimi uyu uriri bururi ukoretwo kiruta irio imwe nja wa bururi. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, Njetaho Wanjiku wa Kimani.